If you want to know why your channel or your video is shadow banned, this is what you should look out for. But I would say if you are just starting out on YouTube, you just start posting, even if it is like 3 months, 2 months, you don't need to be worried. Do you get that? Oh, what's going on? Am I shadow banned? Because you are clearly not. It is just YouTube trying to understand your channel and trying to reach out to those who vibe with your content. So this is for people that they've been on YouTube for a very long time. I think it's more of people that are posting consistently, they've been showing up and showing out, and they are not even up to a year. You can also do that. Why I'm also saying this is my channel is also new, and I've checked and I know my channel is not shadow banned. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First thing first you're going to notice is when you search for your channel, it is not going to pop up. Like, it's not going to be among the first 20-50 channel that is going to be shown, and that's wild. There are a lot of people that ask like your name, right? So you see different similar channel, but you not see your own. When you notice that your name is not popping up, to be very sure, you can tell someone that is not subscribed to your channel to check. If it's also the same, that means your channel is shadow banned. Number 2 is significant drop in views and engagement, especially when you are uploading consistently. If you're getting views, then suddenly your channel is not getting views as much as it does, or you are seeing that there is a significant difference in the views it was getting before and what you are getting now. That means it's a problem somewhere. That means YouTube is not recommending your video. That means YouTube is not pushing your video even to your audience. That means your channel is shadow banned. For what you should do to make sure that your channel is not shadow banned and leave that shadow banned zone, I'm going to make another video, so that this video is just going to be focused on how to know if your channel is shadow banned. You understand? So the next thing is no notification to your subscribers, especially those subscribers that say that yes, like I turn on post notification but I did not get notification that you've uploaded. That's a great issue. That means YouTube is not even pushing it to your subscribers, and you can figure that out by asking your, using the community tab and asking your subscribers if they got the notification, or even in a video you can ask, or in a comment you can ask that they should comment and let you know, or your other social media platform where you know your subscribers are coming from. Oh, did you get a notification? If they are saying no, that means your channel is shadow banned, right? That's how you know. That's another way to know your channel is shadow banned. Another way to know that your channel is shadow banned is there is no growth, in the sense that even with the consistency, you're uploading quality content, you're not getting subscribers. Like, your subscriber count is stagnant, nothing is going on, and you are uploading consistently, you're uploading quality content. That just means people are not seeing the content to subscribe, and that will also tell you, because you will not also get views. Do you get what I'm saying? So everything works hand in hand, and you have to make sure that you are using your YouTube analytics, like YouTube Studio, you're using it properly to check what's going on. Compare your videos, the one that does slightly well with the one that did not do well, and see what exactly is going on. Use your analytics, check your audience, check your engagement, check your overview, check what's going on. Check your returning viewers and unique viewers, because if your subscribers are coming to watch, it's going to show in the returning viewers that, oh, they're actually coming. Do you get what I'm saying? The next one is low impression. And impression is people seeing your thumbnail and clicking on your video to subscribe. So the amount of people that clicked on your video seeing your thumbnail is the impression. Your impression is always low. It's always like 1 point something or 0 point something % impression. That means people are not even seeing your thumbnail to click on it, and you need to be worried. If you are using good title, good description, good thumbnail, something is going on somewhere. Because if your thumbnail is very good and your description is very good and people are not clicking on the impression click-through rate is very low, that means something is wrong somewhere. So those are the things you look out for. Those numbers that you are seeing, there are things telling you that, oh, this was wrong with your channel. So don't just, I don't understand what this is. Learn it. You need to learn and understand, because it is your channel and it is something that you're putting effort into. So why not learn it and understand what it means? So low impression means people are not clicking on the thumbnail to watch the video. The last but not the least is your video is not being suggested. It's not coming up as up next, and it's not being recommended, because when a video is recommended or is coming up as up next, it means someone is watching a particular video, and when they are done, YouTube just say, oh, you can watch this one too. pokey, you can watch this, and then they click. That's how it works. But you're not getting that, and you see that in your analytics. You see that it is showing browse feature, it is showing other suggested feature, and that's what is going to make me, you know, go back to what I said in the beginning, that if you are just starting out, you're going to experience browse feature, other YouTube feature, that's your playlist and everything. That does not mean your channel is shadow banned, because they're just starting out. You should be still understanding what your channel is about. If by chance you have a video that has that went viral, that did more than your actual videos, you see that YouTube recommendation is part of it, right? And as YouTube cannot recommend a channel that is shadow banned. But if YouTube is able to recommend a particular video amongst your video, that means your channel is not shadow banned. You just need to work more on your other channel, you know, maybe change the title, change the thumbnail, or do something about it. That's what I'm saying. If you're just starting out, don't panic. Put in more effort and keep grinding, and you get the results that you desire. With this few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you, but not to confuse you, that these are the reason why you are being shadow banned. And if you want to know how to leave the shadow ban, you know, box or cage, watch out for my next video where I'm going to explain what you should do if you notice that your channel is shadow banned. See you guys in my next video. Bye.